Hey there YouTube, it's Cheap Survival coming back at you again with another video. This is my October EDC update, and let's get started. Got a wallet, started keeping a pen, good reliable pen, my SAM keys, my new knife, my new EDC. It's the one that's going to be in my giveaway. Lighter, also going to be in my giveaway. Pill container, use some heartburn pills in there. Use this as a change container. Then my multi-tool and my bandana. And of course there's my cell phone and headphones and my belt. That's about it. That is it for what I carry. And I might carry more, might carry less, depending on the day, but this is usually the stuff that's always on me. I just wanted to do this real quick video and mention a new thing, a new video I'm going to do. This is a Canadian dime. I live in North Dakota, so I find Canadian money all the time. I'm going to do a video on my change collection. I got some that are a silver content, I do believe. I got some that I just like, but I'll get that video out here pretty quick. Still gotta do the quick flashlight review, but then I'll do that video probably next. I do have a knife collector video that I'm going to be uploading here in the next couple days as well. But just want to get this right out there. Oh yeah, carry that too. But that is it. Like, okay, messed that all up. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, subscribe, over and out.